I'm going to tell you exactly why you're burning out. I know exactly why you're burning out. You do not have a team. That's the reason you're burning out, okay? This is great for you guys to understand, like right out the gates. You're going to experience burnout if you have not established the people that you need to run your organization, okay? Now, I'm not saying that you're going to hand over the operation completely. I'm not in real estate anymore, and I'm still involved up to a certain extent. So you're never going to be able to step out completely. Even with my collection agency right now, like I don't have to be at the office like at all. I don't even have to fucking check in, but I still do. I called my VP this morning and we're on the phone for 30 minutes because I'm her coach. I'm coaching her on how to run our collection agency. Notice I said our collection agency, not my collection agency. That's the difference. You guys got to start learning how to share the fucking pie. You got to learn how to share the cake. You're the king of the castle. You're going to get the biggest slice no matter what. You're the one that risked your time and you burned the ships and you established the organization. So of course you're going to have the biggest pie, the biggest piece of the pie, no matter what, regardless. But that doesn't mean that no one else has to eat. You gotta, and I learned this, guys, I'm telling you right now, a lot of the stuff that, and my success that I built over the years, a lot of it was accident. I wasn't fully conscious of what I was doing intentionally until now, until I hired Brandon Dawson and fucking I'm around Grant Cardone now. He says, build it so big that you could share it with everyone and watch the rewards that it brings. So now everything that I do, that's why I'm hardcore 10X now. That's why, because everything I do, I got to 10X it. I feel like myself talking like Grant now. It's like my buddy, my buddy on here, Alonzo, he's a perfect example. He just hit 2 million this past year. He had never, done that much revenue in a year. And now it's like, what are you going to do next? What are you going to do next? Like fucking do 4 million, bro. Why can't you? Like, what are you scared of? You got to build it big. You won't experience burnout when you have a lot of people like that. They're helping you take the weight off your shoulder. How long are you guys going to operate as a one-man team or a two-man team or a five-man team? When are you going to build a 15, 20, 30, 100, 200-man operation? Like, why are you staying small? I give you my word as a man. If I did not have my collection agency and my real estate company was my number one focus, I would be at 10 million already. I would have been focused on the right people to get me to there, okay? I'm gonna finish off with this. This is a very, very powerful saying. I forget if I heard it from Brandon or from Grant. You take this and you don't forget this, okay? Businesses do not move people. People move your business. So what are you focused on? If you're a one-man show, I got news for you. You don't have a business. If you're a two-man show, that's still not a business. Five-man show, I don't think that's a business. You got 5 people. That's your business? Like, that's not a business. You gotta be running with 20 at least, and I would call you a business. So go out there and make it bigger so you can share with everyone. Share with more people.